Just drove the black Honda. Just drove the black Honda. Now we're about to drive the silver Honda. So you already seen the video. Now we're about to drive the silver. So we got a 2-door 2008. We got a 4-door 2008. This one's pretty clean. This one's a lot cleaner though. This one got the leather loaded. This one got the grill, so okay, that's the grill I need. I need that grill. Okay, so this one doesn't have a bottom grill, or it doesn't have a bottom grill. Look at black. That black does look nice. That silver looks nice too. This door shouldn't be too bad for Wilson to fix. They should just be able to like pop it out, and so, cause it look way worse than so maybe he can hit that. Then he can hit that for me too. Then I can clean those headlights up. Got that has 170,000 miles. Let me go get the key. I ain't trying to move it too much, but $1,550 for two 2008 Hondas. When I be seeing them at the auction, they be selling for like $4,000, $5,000. So, you know, that's just what they selling at the auction for. That's not even what. Eventually, that's what I'm gonna get on Amazon for. You know, 'cause I don't want to cause any seasickness or messing up anybody. You know, with all this vibration, I'm gonna buy like a little camera like a little holder for my phone. Also, I'm gonna get the little button too. You know, so I can just hit the little Bluetooth button, so that I can start recording when I hit the button, and then it'll stop or something. Or maybe get the stick with the button on it, so I can hit it and stop and hit it and stop. But I think this Honda got the V6, if I'm not mistaken. This one has the V6. V6. The interior. Okay. This one not bad either. Leather just needs to be wiped down. Fires right up. We got a couple broke iPhones. One person was out there getting it. They was out there getting it. Had the two iPhones, two phones, one for the plug and one for the glove box full of stuff. Knocked the mirror down. Let's see. It's not that hard. You can hang that mirror back up. Seen some stuff at the. Okay, it's got the heated seats. Oh, so this one's they both got a little power steering. Little power steering issue. Okay, let's see if it loosens up when it's driving. Oh man. Okay, so it does loosen up when it's driving. So this is the one safe. So I might be behind two pumps. That's crazy. They both need a pump, and they both ain't got no gas. But they ain't got no. This one got a check engine light. Strong garment. We just gonna drive it down the street. We're not gonna go too far. Just gonna make sure shit all is good. So we're only gonna make like one turn. Okay, so it does loosen up when you start going. So make sure it's I'll check some of the fluid, make sure it sounds like it's a little bit low. It does loosen up when you start going, so. But it's got 179,000 miles. This one ain't got no, this one don't have the issue like the other one. Oh yeah. This one don't have no over the road issue. This one doesn't have no shaking on it, so it doesn't have like it wasn't wrecked into the. Like what I do, like I like to buy the cars. Yes, they have some damages, but if they got damages, I make sure they have a clean title. If they're gonna buy, I don't want to rebuild title. I don't want a salvage title. I mean, if it happens, it happens. You know, you can't really control that. But if it happens, it happens. But usually do my best, you know, to go by them and make sure, check them out to make sure, you know, that they ain't got a salvage or a rebuild title. Let's go get this walk around, pop this hood. And I believe this is the V6 one, you know, V6 joint. Look at that. That's how the picture gonna come out too. Like, you probably gotta pop that little dent out because I don't like how that dent popping up. You know, clean those headlights. But yeah, once this side come out there, this side you gonna hit that good angle, like wham, wham. And you got the sunroof. Gonna clean that interior up. Clean those interior. We're gonna fix the door. We're gonna clean these tires. We're gonna figure out this power steering. So this thing came. What did it say? Fowler Honda. So it started out for here in Oklahoma, but then it didn't stay here in Oklahoma because Fowler Honda's here in Oklahoma, I believe, unless there's probably another Fowler out there. Probably another Fowler. The big old V6er. That V6er. Got a lot of oil caked on and stuff over there. A lot. Power steering fluid. It might just need some. It might just need some. It might just need some fluid. It was down there looking thirsty. But other than that, besides the power steering and hanging that mirror up and getting, like, you know, just getting the oil change, making sure, you know, you got the oil change and everything. Fluids. Overall, this one probably be done. The other one needs a control arm. This one have the tire pressure monitor, but you know, machine to balance the tires. Does the radio work? You know, because people got to make sure their radio work. Because if they ain't got no jams, you won't sell no car. That's all I'm gonna tell you. It's got Bluetooth audio too. You ain't got no jams, you probably ain't gonna sell no car. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Make sure this works. Make sure the heat stuff works. AC kick right in. Why they can't? That's just so ugly. That's just so disgusting looking. Putting all these tags in there. I guess they want to have stars in the ceiling. You know. So the heat works, AC works. We can cut that off. I'm just trying to figure out this radio. I hate when. No, just radio. Good station. Alright, radio works. We're gonna get some power, put some power steering fluid up in this thing. Make sure that helps it out. Put some power steering with the reconditioning in there. Then, you know, take it up there to old Mr. Wilson. Oh, with all these tacks though, that's gonna be a bummer because I don't know what to do with those tacks. I don't want to take them all out, you know. I don't want to take them all out because then, but I gotta rehang this mirror too, so I'll rehang this mirror. But it does. It runs and drives good. Like I said, I'm gonna put that power steering fluid in there. With the reconditioning in there, the power steering with the reconditioning. But other than that, it ain't shaking no rattling. It's 178,000 miles. Oh, snaps. We got some customers here. Alrighty, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I had to cut the video short because when the customers call and the money get to calling, the customers and the money call. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm out. About to go deal with these customers. Hopefully we can get a sale in and call it a day. Hopefully we get a sale in and call it a day. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm out.